In this tutorial, I'll show you how to rig the mouth in minutes by using shape keys. This is a prototype mesh that I have created on the practice run. I'll hide the meshes shortly, and show you how they were created from scratch. Let's create a plane. Tab, to go to edit mode. Right-click and S to subdivide. Right-click and type S 2 more times to add more segments like this. Type 3 to face select. Type C to use the circle select tool. Let's select the faces like this. E to extrude. Please assign any random material for the mesh. Let's use a UV sphere to create an iMesh. Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click and shade smooth to smooth the surface. I'll mirror the mesh, and press Ctrl A to reset its location. Let's create a text object. R to rotate. Select the head mesh, and Ctrl 3 to subdivide. Right-click to shade smooth. With the mouth region selected, let's create a new shape key in object mode. I'll properly rename the shape keys like this by double-clicking the names. Let's create an O-shaped mouth by scaling. Please create more shape keys and scale the mouth faces. I'll create identical keyframes for frame 1 and 10, and I'll go to frame 5 to scale the mesh. Please set a new keyframe after scaling. This is how the animation looks like. Let's work on the shape keys. We need to select the shape key we want to animate, and hover the mouse cursor over its value like this. Please set new keyframes the same way, and go to another frame to change the values. We need to set a new keyframe after that. Please feel free to edit the values any way you like. Once we get used to it, we'll be able to match the voice with the mouth shape. I'll just set random shape key values and set keyframes for them in random frames. By the way, when the shape keys are green in color, that means the starting shape was modified. Please set new keyframes in the beginning to avoid the issue. As we can see, the frame 1 doesn't have the open mouth. Please change the values to 0 and set new keyframes for all shape keys. This is the easiest and the fastest method to animate the mouth. In the next tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to use the shape keys for the mouth region on a UV sphere that has a greater angle than a plane. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.